let's get started. So this is the first question, which is a very simple problem, but I'm going to use this problem to show you how you can use Desmos. So this is 10 is equal to 2x plus 4. So we are going to go to Google, types that Desmos, and you will see this. So you can write 10 is equal to 2x plus 4. And you can take your cursor to this point and it says 3, 0. Another option here is that you can write this as two equations. You can say y is equal to 2x plus 4, put an enter button, and then y is equal to 10. So you have two equations now. Scroll down a little bit and you will see that they are intersecting at 2 points, which is this, and which is again 3, 0. So if you go back to your question, it says how many solutions does it have? So for solutions, we know that we have exactly one solution. Now let's look at another problem. So this one says, for what value of w does w minus 10 is equal to twice of w plus 5? Now, whenever you are dealing with the Desmos, one thing that you have to always keep in mind is that you have to use x's and y. You cannot use any other variable. So here, if I come back to my problem, instead of w, what I can do is I can use a x. So I can say x minus 10 is equal to twice of x plus 5. And I have my equation. Take my cursor to the intercept, that's minus 20. So now if I go back to my question, I can see that my answer is going to be option number D. So that makes it easy. Now let's try one more question on this. So it says half of x minus half of 6x is equal to 1. So let me again take you back to the Desmos. And so this makes your fractions even, pretty simple to be written. So half of x minus half of 6x is equal to 1. So this is 3. That means x is equal to 3. So if you go back to your question and you look at your options, it's going to be option number C. And I'm sure you must be wondering that, I'm trying to use very simple questions to use Desmos. But I'm just trying to, make you more comfortable with the Desmos. In coming up videos, we are going to try more tougher questions which are tested on the SAT. And if you have any questions and you have a doubt that whether you can do that particular question with Desmos, you can write that in the comment sections and would love to solve that question for you. Thank you. All the best. Bye-bye.